Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to the
We're
channel.
fixing to try to.
This week we're going to be doing another deep clean to the hull, taking some of the paint off, and taking the boat off the trailer so we can get some work done on it. Let's get to it. Do you want me to do some
Yep.
more down here on the bottom?
Uh huh. Spray it all down, baby.
So here we're using some purple power to spray down the inside of the hull so we can try to get as much dirt and grease, grime out of there as possible. We want to repaint the inside to help seal it up a little better, so it's important to have all that grease out of there for good adhesion. We were really excited that there wasn't a lot of oil in the bilge. A lot of times with these older boats, there will be a lot of oil because those older motors generally do leak a lot of oil. So we're trying to preserve the boat um, in its original condition as much as possible. So we feel like we will be able to keep these planks intact. Now that we got the inside all cleaned up, we're going to work on removing some of the paint. We need to remove all the paint from the boat. It's going to be restained and revarnished and repainted. So here we're using some of that liquid paint stripper, and let's see how this works. So it's finally ready to be scraped off, and you can see where it was blistered off comes off very easily, but it's still going to require several coats to get it all the way down to the bare wood. So Mike is trying a different scraper, and it seems to be doing a lot better job than the one I was using. What do you guys think about using a liquid type stripper for this type of work? If you have any suggestions or other ideas about it, leave us a note in the comments below. Thanks. Now that we got all the varnish and paint off, I'm going to give it a quick sanding to get the any extra residue off from the paint stripper, and we'll see how it looks after that.
I'm going to grab our drink, please.
Uh-oh, I have to save the drinks. Once we got done cleaning that up, we decided we wanted to take the boat off the trailer and put it on some blocks for stability.
Hi guys. Welcome to this old boat, I guess. I don't know. Hi guys. We're fixing to try to. Hi guys.
I'm leaving that in.
Hi guys. We are going to take this boat off the trailer in preparation to flip it over. Cut.
Matter of figuring out the angle of the dangle and
Yep, get it where we want it.
getting it where it's going to hang the way I want it to.
we're getting the front side, we got the back side hooked up, ready to lift. We're picking up the front side, front end now. And then we'll see if we can't get it off the trailer. Point it down, or?
No, it's just hooking it up. I need another shackle. You get that black one? Another black one?
The one from inside?
Yep. I think I shut it off.
Okay, it's back on. Put it back on.
Alright, go to the other side. You're gonna run the electric one. Okay.
Yep.
Here we go. Let's see if we can destroy an old boat or save it. We'll find out now.
When we go up, like, slowly, bump it at a time or two?
I'll tell you when to go up. Okay, bump it. Go ahead. Hold it. A little more. No, that's as far as you can go. Let me turn this up. Are we off the bums enough to drive away, baby?
No, we're on.
Got back here?
Huh?
You're back here though, right?
Looks like it.
Okay.
Alright, we did it.
Alrighty, now that we have the boat off the trailer, the next thing to do is to block it up to give it some stability so we can get back to work on it.
Not on?
It's on, but it's
Oh.
Alright. We are on block. Done. We are gonna work on the ribs first before we flip it. Make sure everything is nice and secure before we try to.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, please subscribe, like, and leave us a comment. Thanks again, and see you next time.